Small business owners are moving fast with AI. They are using AI to write emails, answer customer questions, summarize documents, create marketing content, manage appointments, review resumes, analyze invoices, and automate routine office work. But here's the problem. Many of them are not really installing AI. They are installing unknown systems, built by unknown vendors, connected to unknown models, trained on unknown data, with unknown security practices. And in some cases, those tools may be handling customer records, business plans, financial information, employee data, contracts, and proprietary information. That is the danger. Not AI itself. The danger is unvetted AI. The danger is black box AI. The danger is small businesses installing AI tools they do not understand, cannot audit, and have never tested. In big companies, AI adoption runs through legal, security, procurement, privacy, and executive review. In small businesses, it's often one person and one click. An ad pops up. The promise: save time, boost sales, subscribe. Screens appear. Connect email. Allow CRM. Add a website widget. Data starts moving outward. Customer messages, documents, invoices, flowing into a tool no one vetted. No one asked the basics. Who built it? What model? Where does data go? Where is it stored? Is it used for training? Who can see it? That is shadow AI, slipping in through convenience, speed, and the promise of efficiency. Easy to install, opaque underneath. And that is how unvetted black box risk enters the business. The phrase black box AI means the user cannot clearly see how the system works, but for small businesses, the black box problem is even bigger. The owner may not know whether the tool is using a major commercial model, a small open source model, a fine-tuned model, or a chain of different models and APIs. The owner may not know whether the tool has been tested for accuracy, privacy, cybersecurity, bias, misuse, or data leakage. The owner may not know whether the vendor has security controls, audit logs, access controls, incident response procedures, or a reliable way to delete business data. And many of these tools are not really AI systems in the way people imagine. They may be wrapper applications. They may look professional on the front end, but behind the scenes they are simply connecting the user's business data to someone else's AI model. That means the small business may be trusting an entire supply chain it cannot see. And that is where security of AI becomes important, because the risk is not only the model, the risk is the full system, the data, the vendor, the API, the plugin, the cloud service, the permissions, the user behavior, the business process, and the lack of assurance. From a security of AI perspective, this issue crosses three domains. First, governance. Small businesses need clear rules for which AI tools can be used, who can approve them, and what data is allowed to enter them. Second, security. They need to understand access permissions, data flows, vendor security, identity controls, logging, and incident response. Third, assurance. They need evidence that the tool works as intended, does not create unacceptable risk, and can be trusted for the business function it supports. That does not mean every small business needs a massive AI governance office, but it does mean they need a simple AI intake process. Before installing an AI tool, they should ask 5 basic questions. What does this tool do? What data does it access? Where does that data go? Who is responsible if it fails? And what evidence shows it is safe enough for this business use? That is not bureaucracy. That is basic business protection. So before a small business installs its next AI tool, here are 5 questions to ask. Question 1. What model or AI service is behind this tool? If the vendor cannot explain that clearly, that is a warning sign. Question 2. What business data will this tool access? Email, customer records, documents, financial information, employee files, or website traffic all create different levels of risk. Question 3. Where does the data go? Is it stored? Is it encrypted? Is it used for training? Can it be deleted? Question 4. Has the vendor documented its privacy, security, and testing practices? A serious vendor should be able to explain how the system is protected and what limitations exist. Question 5. What happens when the tool is wrong? Every AI system can fail. The question is whether the business has a way to detect the failure, correct it, and prevent damage. These 5 questions will not solve every AI risk, but they will help small business owners stop treating AI like a harmless plugin and start treating it like a serious business system. I'm Bobby, and this is Security of AI. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below.